Kia ora and welcome to Hebe's Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we will discuss learner engagement in the classroom. Maximizing learner engagement is about getting all of your learners involved and invested in their learning journey. Engaged learners take pride in understanding and applying what they've learned. One of the best strategies is to focus on bite-sized chunks of learning materials. Our quick tip today is using a tic-tac-toe choice board and rubric and Hāpara highlights guide browsing filter session. Select the class that you want to use the guide browsing filter session for. Choose filter session. Add up to 10 links that you don't want your students to go to. Set a time limit. This can be for the class, individual students, or pre-created groups. You can also schedule this for later by putting in a date and time. You can save it as a template to use it again, or you can schedule the session for right now. You can release all the students at once or one at a time. Not only will your students be engaged with the tasks you have co-created, but you have set up your students for success by eliminating some common online distractions. Thanks for watching.